128k RAM. Okay buyers, here's a TRS-80 Model 4 I've just restored. It's been imported from America. Was 120 volts, now it's full 240 volts, ready to use in Australia. It's got 128k of memory, dual floppy drives that have been tested and aligned. It's got a green screen monitor and a keyboard that's in very good condition. Keycaps for the white keys are nice and white. This machine's got a serial port and it's ready to go. We'll just show it doing a little boot up. And off it goes. Okay, green screen monitor. TRS-80 Model 4 for sale. Interested? Send me an email. Thanks for watching.